The tables gleam, the food steams. It's upscale fine dining delivered by a server in a tie, and it's cooked and carried by students from Conestoga College. This is Bloom.
We have the culinary management students that run the service for the menu. They do all the prep, they receive all the ingredients, and they turn it into the dishes that we offer on the menu.
Bloom is located on the John W. Tibbetts campus in Waterloo, where a $58 million renovation was completed in 2018. Bloom reopened last October, unveiling remodeled kitchens with state-of-the-art furnishings.
When we reopened, we were busy right away. Our emails were full with people looking for tables.
Lamonto says students bring their unique culinary backgrounds to the program.
I can look up a recipe for a vegetarian Indian dish, but I also have 15 vegetarian Indian students that really know how to make that dish properly.
Mixing, dicing, fixing meals for takeout, culinary students do it all, with a bit of guidance from professional chefs.
We have a lot of mentors and teachers around here that provide us with a good mindset, and we go into every day doing our best, and it's because of them.
A lot of the guests appreciate that they're part of the learning process. So they like to feedback, they like to interact with the students and learn about where they're from and get a little bit of a story. And they like to come back for our different menus, and they really feel like they're helping.
For Spoke News, I'm Caleb Burney.